send crypto on Revolut. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to send crypto on your Revolut account. So first of all you have to do is just simply open the revolut.com/crypto/ and you will be landed to the official website of Revolut in the crypto section, when you can log into your account and start receiving and sending cryptocurrency between different accounts. And in order to transfer the cryptocurrency, all you have to do is just simply open the Bitcoin transfer page or any other cryptocurrency that you would want to transfer in the Revolut account. And after that, all you have to do is just select the cryptocurrency that, for example, I have selected Bitcoin right here. And after that, just go to the right hand side of the menu, and over here just select the country from which you are sending the money, for example US dollar. And after that, just select the amount of Bitcoin that you would want to transfer, and you can also select any other cryptocurrency from the list over here or the platform from which you are sending the cryptocurrency. And after that, just simply enter the amount of the coin or the Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency that you are sending over here. And after that, just see the current rate of the particular cryptocurrency that you are sending. And after that, just simply click on get started, and you will get to see this particular QR code. Simply you just have to scan this particular QR code using your Revolut app, and after that your account will be opened up, and from there you just have to make the transaction happen while entering the username of the person or the account in which you are transferring the cryptocurrency. And that's how you will be able to send crypto on Revolut. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.